Most people think intelligence is something you're born with, that it's fixed, set in stone. But science says the opposite. Your brain is plastic, meaning it can literally rewire itself at any age if you feed it the right habits. In this video, I'm going to share 3 strange but insanely powerful habits that will actually make you smarter, faster, no fluff, no generic read books advice. Let's go. Habit 1, filter fast, the 10-second rule for mental clarity. Your brain runs on limited bandwidth. Every distraction steals mental fuel. Smart people don't just consume less, they filter faster. The habit is simple. If something isn't helping you grow, reject it in 10 seconds. That means skip the useless video, mute the noise. Say no to the convo that leads nowhere. The world is loud, but intelligence thrives in clarity. You can't think deeply if your brain is juggling junk. Build the habit of fast filtering, and you'll notice something crazy. You start thinking faster, deeper, sharper. Habit 2, think on paper. Outsmart 95% of people instantly want to instantly gain a mental edge over others. Use this one tool, a blank piece of paper. Writing isn't just note-taking, it's externalized thinking. Every time you write your thoughts down, your goals, your fears, your questions, you're processing them. Your brain stops looping and starts solving. Ever feel stuck in overthinking? That's just mental clutter. But once you write it down, you turn chaos into clarity. Billionaires journal, athletes visualize, thinkers write. Why? Because writing forces precision. Start small. Each morning, write one problem you're trying to solve. At night, write one thing you learned. Do this for 30 days and you'll be shocked how much clearer and smarter you feel. Habit 3, 30-minute curiosity. Build a smarter brain. While having fun, most people stop learning when school ends. That's a mistake. The smartest people in the world, they never stop feeding their curiosity. Here's the habit. Spend 30 minutes a day learning something you're curious about, with no pressure, not to get a job, not to pass a test, just pure curiosity. This is where real intelligence forms. Why? Because curiosity fires up your brain's dopamine system. That dopamine motivates you to keep learning, which grows your neural networks, literally making you smarter. Watch a documentary, learn a random science concept, try to understand how a chess opening works, or how habits are built, or how memory actually functions. The weirder and more unexpected, the better. Over time, your brain becomes cross-trained. And that's where next-level creativity and problem-solving explode. These aren't hacks, they're habits. Tiny things that, done daily, compound like crazy. Filter fast, so your brain isn't drowning in noise. Think on paper, so you solve problems instead of looping them. Stay curious for 30 minutes, so your mind stays hungry and sharp. You don't need to be born a genius. You just need to build smarter habits. Most people won't do this, but you're not most people. Hit subscribe if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.